Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Todoist mobile app detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into the Todoist mobile app, start by locating the app on your device. Tap on the Todoist icon to open the application. On the home screen, you'll see the login page. This page will prompt you to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Todoist account. Once you've entered your email, look for the password field. Enter your password in the designated space. Double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid login errors. Now, locate the login button on the screen. Tap the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Todoist dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, there is a Forgot Password link available. Tap on this link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After successfully logging in, explore the app's features. You can now start organizing your tasks and projects effectively. Enjoy using the Todoist mobile app to boost your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.